guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to make AI emojis on any iPhone. So people think every iPhone will get this feature, but unfortunately I have to break it to you, you won't. So as you can see right here, only the Apple Intelligence features available on iOS 18.2 later or on all iPhone 16 models, 15 Pro models, 15 Pro Max models, and that's it. And just M chips on MacBooks. So if you don't have any of those, you won't be able to get it. So I'm using an iPhone 13 right here, and I don't have it. So in my MacBook, I do have it because I'm using an M2 chip there. But basically, I'll demonstrate to you if you do have this. So to get the new Memoji or Genmoji, all you have to do is tap the this button right here. It's in the bottom left corner usually of your screen right here. And then basically once you tap that, you're just gonna be in the top right corner. This type of emoji in the top right corner of your keyboard is gonna be located usually right there. And then from there, you want to enter the description of your Genmoji and then tap down. It will generate it and then you'll be able to add it. So this is gonna be a beta feature. It's not yet super duper released. Maybe upcoming first quarter of the year in 2025 we will have it. So there you go, guys. That is how you make emojis on really just the iPhones that I mentioned, not really everything. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.